Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to use the OKX trading bot. To get started you will need a OKX trading account. If you don't have one, use my link down the description. There you would get a referral bonus and discount on your trading fees. Trading bots are software programs that use algorithms to automate the trading process. They execute trades on your behalf, based on pre-defined settings and strategies, allowing you to generate profits without constant monitoring. These bots are designed to work with various assets, such as cryptocurrencies. You will need to deposit some funds into your crypto account. If you have fiat, you would need to convert your fiat into USDT for the simplicity of trading. Click on the OKX Home tab. Click on the top left side. Click on Bot. Create bot. Click on Grid Bots, then choose Spot Grid USDT. Click on Recommended. You can copy any bot, it's all free. Go to investment amount and the amount you want minimum is shown. If you are happy with perimeter, click Create. Now your trading board will do all the trading for you as you sleep. You are making money. If you find this video was useful, please click a like, subscribe, and see you